we want to show you how Audi is reshaping premium electric mobility in China, together with our partners FAW and SAIC. And the next milestone for our portfolio is happening here today, the Q6L e-tron designed for China. So now, let's have a look. It's time for a new generation of all-electric Audi models and the next era of Vorsprung durch Technik. The Q6L e-tron will have more differentiation from the global model than ever before, regarding exterior design and regarding the digital interior experience, consistently designed in line with the needs of Chinese customers. The Audi Q6L e-tron, as well as further electric models for China, will be produced in a completely new factory in Changzhou. I am convinced that we have all it takes to remain a strong player in the Chinese market. Great partners, a clear plan, and a strong product lineup. If you take one thing home today, hopefully this is: we are ready, Audi is ready.